Okay, time to roast your diets. Okay, Lauren, what do you got for us?
Start off with breakfast.
What? This is breakfast?
Then for lunch I had
Sis, all these hydrogenated fats and these animal products are going to age you so rapidly by the time you're 30, you're going to look like you're 100.
smoothie. I'll show you what's in it.
Yes, I did see that smoothie, good. Sis, don't become another obesity statistic. Jump on Raw to Fall before it's too late.
Friends, you guys want to know what I
Okay, another keto react video.
I start every morning with a cup of coffee.
Of course you do, because your diet's deficient. Oh no, she fell for the marketing hype. Watch this video, Freelee reacts to Kylie Jenner.
The whipping cream.
Oh, whipping cream. Where's the fruit for breakfast? I know, where are my eyebrows? What? She eats 5 pieces of fried pig flesh for breakfast.
After my workout, I had this keto meal replacement.
Instead of having a meal replacement, how about actually have a real meal?
It's super yummy.
Super unethical.
Then I had a pickle because
A pickle? How about a banana? Ugh, did you see those? That class 1 carcinogen coupled with the pus, and now she's got the liquid chickens. Oh, no wonder people are always sick on this shit diet. And what about the baby male chicks who have to die in order for this meal to happen? Look, sis, we need to get you onto the Raw to 4 lifestyle. You need help immediately.
I am not a vegan,
And that's a problem.
but I try to go vegan for at least 4 days a month.
You can't go vegan for 4 days. It's about animals' lives. It would be like beating your kids all month, then taking 4 days off beating them and then going back to beating them. Even worse, though, because you're killing
I
animals.
do crave meat.
You don't crave
That's
meat,
why I
okay?
cook
Because
it.
frugivores don't crave meat, or else you would be jumping
In
on
my
a cow's
culture,
ass and sinking your teeth in and eating it raw.
My love is not strong enough, so
You
that I
don't love
could
them
stop eating
because you
them.
eat them. That's right.
I want to be happier and healthier.
Then stop eating
so
death.
I will try my best to eat plant-based.
Your
as
best
much
is not
as
good
I
enough.
can.
Good morning.
Freelee's roast, let's go. She's starting the day with the black stuff. You may as well just be snorting the white stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because it works the same way in the body.
Strawberries, blueberries.
Greek yogurt. Why ruin a perfectly good fruit bowl with pussy yogurt? Use coconut yogurt. It's ethical and it's good for you. Exercise good, water good. Just don't use it to replace calories. What are you doing to that salad with that dead bird in there? Oh, she's adding cancer to a perfectly good salad.
It was so delicious.
Sis, just use shredded jackfruit. Perfectly good substitute for corpse. Oh wow, an apple! I saw an apple. Just eat more apples. Eat 10 apples instead of that constipation bar. Oh, watermelon? Good, good, very good. Yes. What is? Okay, so we've got a veggie patty here and a salad. Okay, good. Not animal. That's good. More frutas. Still not a lot of fruit. That's why she's going to go for this one. Okay, she's going for the junk food because not enough gluten. Oh, what? She's vegan? The smart one in the family. Copy her.
This is what I ate yesterday.
What I eat in a day.
Super nutritious and healthy.
We'll see about that.
I had coffee.
Poor dog. Oh yeah, because drugs for breakfast is healthy. Because your diet's deficient. That's why you need it. Whipped cruelty for breakfast. Hang on, she's on to dinner already. So she'll eat the deep fried dead bird, but she doesn't eat the carbs.
Because I never eat them.
Filling up on water instead of calories. Oh, a kind bar. Why weren't you kind at dinner? Baked 10-year-old pus crackers. Okay, Freelee's roast. Let's go, sis. Let's go. Nice, nice. That is good. I can't rate you badly for that. Oh no, why did you need a latte? You gotta have more carbs, more fruit, so you don't want the latte, you don't want the drugs. Oh no, sis. You got the class 1 carcinogen there and the hensies. She's gonna be pooping dry, fibreless torpedoes. It's gonna be painful.
And I ate all that, and it was delicious, super yummy.
Super unhealthy.
And then I had this gum.
Now she's got the fake fruit. It's time for more fruit now, not artificial colours and flavours. It looks like a pussy pizza.
Really good. And some bread.
Bread is not terrible, but fruit is always better to get your carbs.
And then I hydrated.
Hydration, good.
And then after that, I didn't record
She
it, but I had,
definitely
like,
needs
Nutella
more
with
fruit
strawberry
and more carbohydrate.
And it was really good.
Animals
And,
died, so
it was nourishing
it
and
wasn't the
really
best day.
and free-
I'm on the juice. Oh, the ground up muscle tissue. Straight away, we're into the heart attack nachos. Honestly, bro, just try jackfruit nachos. They are delicious. No one has to get hurt, and they are good for your arteries. No problem at all. Okay, got to get some fake sugar in there, some fake carbs. Okay, we're becoming processed people. Carb smart, more like carb dummy, because avoiding your natural food is dumb. These cream top crackers, it's just weird. You develop these weird eating habits when you're low carb. Got to get some more artificial sweetener in there because we're not processed enough, are we? Eat the sugar. Okay, we've got Trisha Paytas calling in with a what I eat in a day. Let's go, Trish. Okay, so I was dreaming about a banana smoothie, but we got an iced pumpkin latte Dunkin' Donuts. It's about 550 calories. What is this? Egg bacon bagel. Okay, that's about 500 calories. Trishy, what are you doing? Then we got a fatty donut. That's around 380 calories. It's almost pure fat. Okay, we've got McDonald's nuggets, a 9-pack, and then we've got large fries, and we've got a Diet Coke. That's about 1,000 calories because there's no calories in the Diet Coke because it's just artificial sweetener. Trishy. Whoa, that is a big ass cheese croissant. That's probably around 600 calories. What about the cows, Trish? What about the cows? Yes, we see it, Trish, we see it. Okay, so she's got an apple juice there, and mousse, that's about 450 calories. Okay, so the total with dinner is around 4,450 for the day, mainly fat. Our boy is clearly on the hot sauce, look at him. 11 a.m, 2 heads of broccoli, half raw, half steamed. Why? Why do you want to eat that at 11 a.m? No one has to eat like this. It's plants, yes, that's good, but no one wants to eat like that, and you don't have to, okay? Where's the fruit? Have the fruit that's in the morning. Bro, what are you doing? Gosh. Oh, there is some fruit. Can you believe it? Maybe he's turning over a new leaf. This is starting to be quite good because it's all plants. Oh, no. The carcass. He's got the dead bird salmonella carcass. Why? Why? Honestly, this looks like a dog's dinner. Am I the only one who thinks it looks like a dog's dinner? Come on. It's just so sad that innocent animals have to be involved in his eating. Whipped pus on a dry rice cracker. Yummy. And he has this irrational fear of carbs and sugar, so he goes for the sugar-free. Sugar is not fattening. What I eat in 1 hour after fasting for 24 hours, cheat meal edition. 2 p.m, 12 chili dogs. 12. Okay, he's basically just eating tumours, connective tissue, gross, and then he's covering it in pus. And he looks so happy about it. He looks so happy, and it looks like his skin is really suffering from eating this way. And you know who else is suffering? The animals. This dude just starved himself into weight loss. Just starved himself, and now he's binging out, and he's going to binge out, and he's going to get huge again. What the heck is a snowball even? Like maybe try a banana or an apple. He's on to ding dongs now. Ding dongs. Banana. These people are just so seriously carb deficient. He is going to rebound like crazy and gain all the weight back, mark my words. Firstly, kudos to Britt for not blocking me, for having the ovaries to take constructive feedback, unlike Janelle. So Britt has a lot of pussy, cheesy spread here going on those bagels, and it's just not going to be healthy for her and not good for weight gain either, which we know she's trying to avoid, but she is gaining weight, as a lot of you have noticed. And a big reason for that is all this dairy, because cow's milk is for baby cows, and it's designed to double the calf's birth weight in the first 6 months. And as humans, we don't want to turn into 1-ton cows, do we? So this is a big part of why Britt is gaining the weight back, because she's loading up on this fat-gaining food. It's not human food, it's for baby cows. It's dangerous, cruel, and fattening. Okay, so I actually lost 40 pounds myself. No carb restriction, no calorie restriction, no stimulants, no hurting animals, just lots of tasty food.
Diet changes helped me go from this
Okay.
to this.
Wow, the diet change also changed her hair color.
So this is huge. I love iced coffee. I have some.
Okay, of course she loves iced coffee because she's not eating enough calories and enough carbs in general, so she needs the stimulants.
A lot of the time, I'll have a banana.
It's an unripe banana, don't eat it, wait for the spots, it's going to constipate you. Take my word for it, the banana. High protein, I call it the constipation bar. Okay, so she's got some pussy popcorn there. Look, if you want to lose weight, get out the solidified bovine secretion. Okay.
These are super good as well. For lunch, you can't go wrong with a piece of
Avo toast, but without the snot rocket, please. Please. Okay, mixed nuts, yes, that's okay, but healthy fats, you need more healthy carbs.
Chicken and salmon are my favorite for dinner.
Oh wow, watch out for parasites. I'm not kidding, watch out for parasites. Where's the fruit?
This is another what I eat in a day.
Okay, let's go.
Altogether, I ate 1,600 calories.
Starvation?
I like to start off with a double shot long black.
Yes, because you didn't eat enough carbohydrates, enough calories, now you're going for stimulants.
Oat slice.
How about a smoothie? Fresh fruit in the morning.
Workouts, I like to have some chocolate protein.
Protein powder, useless and mostly toxic.
For lunch, I'll have a spinach wrap.
Can we stop wrapping dead animals in tortillas, please?
My afternoon
Going for the
snack, I like
chocolate
some
because of not enough
toast
carbohydrates.
and lentil spaghetti
Too much
for
fat,
dinner.
not enough calories, not enough carbs.
And just to recap, I'm fully aware carbs don't make you fat.
No.
Carbs are not the enemy. I could eat bread. I could eat potato chips.
Potato chips are mainly
I could do all
fat.
of that and be in a calorie deficit and
Eat
lose weight.
whole foods like
I'm aware.
fruit, rice, potatoes.
I don't like to eat carbs.
Yes, you do.
They make my body not feel good.
You're just eating the wrong sources. Why are you still struggling with your weight? Because you're avoiding carbs.
What I eat in a day.
Who stands like that? Seriously, who stands like that?
First things first, I have a brew.
You got to get the coffee, the drugs in.
Then because I've done a workout.
Oh no, the dairy industry waste product protein powder. Everybody's
And
eating
guys,
this
if you
crap.
don't normally like protein shakes, this
Absolute
is the bomb.
crap.
It's white chocolate and
No,
raspberry.
it's just
and it
rubbish.
literally tastes
Where's
like
the
that, no
carbs,
protein
honey?
whatsoever.
Where's the carbs? for
Okay, so
breakfast?
snack time.
Oh, she's eating like a
For
dog.
lunch, get your carbs and
I
fats in.
know.
Okay,
She's
I made
eating
some
like
bread,
a
but It's
dog.
not for me. It's for my boyfriend.
Okay.
I lied. I'm having a bit.
Yeah, because you're under
Always
carb.
allow yourself
You
a
need
little
more
treat.
calories.
Get rid of cravings.
Yeah,
Not
just
being
eat
in
more sweet fruit. Eat more carbohydrates. There's a ticket.
Okay.
Oh no, it's not rocket. Oh
Take two.
no, don't eat a
Yeah, I
menstruation.
messed up.
Don't.
But anyway, for tea, I normally just have an egg on toast, as it's actually better
That's
for you
not
to
on
have
toast.
a bigger lunch than it is a bigger tea.
So this is me after a whole day of eating, and as you can tell,
No, she's
I'm
about
pretty
20,
honest.
18, 20 or
So
something.
today I ate around 1,300 calories.
Oh, see,
high
she's starving
protein, and it's
herself.
on a training
High
day.
protein, starving herself.
Remember, if you want to lose fat, be in the
No.
calorie
Grace, I know you're trying to get abs, but eating 1,300 calories a day is depriving yourself. I'm eating 2,500 calories a day, and I even have abs when I'm sitting down. It's not the carbs, it's not the calories that are your enemy. So the government recommends 2,400 calories for someone of your activity level and your age. So you're definitely under eating at 1,300. And you're eating about the same amount as what a 4-year-old child needs. So that's obviously not going to work long term. This girl is clueless. I'm 40 and I've been this way for over 10 years. I don't cut out sugary drinks or juice or carbohydrates or restrict my calories. Don't do excessive exercise. I don't drink coffee. Don't do drugs, okay? I don't eat animals and their secretions. Okay, let's go. A quarter of a huge watermelon. Okay, great. This is a great start. Iced coffee. You didn't have enough watermelon. You gotta have more fruiters so you don't want the drugs. Cocoa chia pudding. Yeah, not bad. I wouldn't have cacao though, it's a stimulant as well. Pickles. It's full of salt, full of vinegar. It's plants, so I'm happy, but veggie nuggets. Okay, she's got deep fried veggie nuggets. Sister, you need more fruit. You need more fruit, you need more carbs, and you're going to feel better, and you're going to look better, and you're just going to perform at your best. Lots of water. You need a lot of water when you're having fried stuff. Okay, that looks very fried, kind of greasy as well. I eat like this sometimes, but it's not optimal, that is for sure. And what is a seltzer? It's maybe a sugar-free drink, I don't know. But you need more carbs, you need more sugar, you need more fruit. Okay, yeah. Oh, more? Was that more watermelon? That is going to digest really badly on top of all that.
Keto grocery haul. Let me show you what I got. We got eggs,
Menstruations.
chuck roast,
Cows are
pepperoni,
Class 1
salami,
carcinogen.
some sausages,
full of eggs and tumours.
cilantro, cucumbers,
some veggies.
tomatoes,
Good. She just has an irrational fear of carbs.
sauce, cauliflower rice,
Veggies,
broccoli
good.
rice,
And there's a
avocados,
fruit. Woo!
Parmesan,
Pus.
cheese, mozzarella, pepper jack,
Pus.
cheddar
Cellulite.
jack. We got some
And a beautiful
whipped cream,
animal.
blueberry